Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be making my very own set of Uno cards by customizing playing cards. So here is my deck of cards. I am going to be customizing only one card today. Today I am going to be customizing the red color Uno card of number 1. I painted 5 coats of white chalkboard paint to cover up the background. I used a hair dryer so that the paint would dry faster and help me speed up the process. For this card, I decided to draw a cat in a sunflower costume. After finishing my drawing, I couldn't decide which color was the most suitable for this cat. I decided to start with the flower. I decided to paint the cat brown. I gave a little orange shading for the petals. As I started outlining the flower, I realized I hadn't painted the background. After painting the background, I outlined my whole picture. I painted the number and the color. Finally, to seal it off, I added a layer of Mod Podge. Hope you liked this video. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe.